My name is Robert Iwasa. I work for the geotechnical branch. Today we're participating in the Golden Guardian exercise.
Start grabbing all the sandbags and take it to a pond, then we're going to chain it to the end of the creek.
It's an exercise, flood fight exercise. We're trying to work out the kinks, be better prepared for the upcoming flood season. We want to refine part of our inspection techniques and definitely our communication skills with the emergency office.
We're in Twitchell Island, located here at this warehouse. 7 Mile Slough to the north, 3 Mile Slough to the west, and San Joaquin River here to the south. And Brandon Andrews Island is to the north.
Some seepage and instability on the 3 Mile Slough levee, and there is overtopping.
We got called out here by the state. Out here, this is Sherman Island, Site 2 for the Golden Guardian exercise. We got called out here to this spot in particular. We have 50 to 60 mile an hour winds overtopping our levee here. Basically, we're out here for public safety. That's our number one priority. We're out here whenever the state exhausts their resources, they call us to help mitigate the problem.